Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create an Instagram account. So it's pretty simple. Now once you open Instagram, it is going to open up something like this. So once you're in this page of Instagram, at the bottom corner you will see sign up. Click on sign up. Once you do that, it'll take you to this page. Now over here, first choose a username for your Instagram account. So I will choose a username for my Instagram account over here and click on next. Once you choose your username, it is going to ask you to create a password for your Instagram account. To do that, once you create a password for your Instagram account, click on next. And on the next step, you want to click on complete sign up. And basically it is going to ask you for some more information like your email and other information. After you fill the entire information up, basically your account will be created. So that is how you guys can create yourself an Instagram account. And it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Now over here you can just click on skip or continue. I will click on skip because I don't want to add any friend or add anything. And it's going to take you to this page. Over here, follow 1 or 2 people. Click on next and your Instagram account will be created just like that. Now you can click on your profile picture at the bottom right and complete your profile from over here.